Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make money from the coin's price differences on different websites. This happens because some exchanges have higher prices for coins than other exchanges to attract more customers. We will use this to our benefit and make a profit of up to 10% of our investment. You can do this from your smartphone as well. For this, we will use two websites, Zelbit and Binance. As you can see, there is a 10% difference in favor of Zelbit compared to Binance. First, we need to add money to our Zelbit account. Go to the wallet section and click Top Up Account. Select the coin you want and click Show Address. Copy and go to Binance. We will start with 89.06 BNB, which is approximately $20,000. The money will arrive in the account in a few minutes. Go to the Trading tab and find BNB. Sell 100% of the amount. Great. We just made about $2,000. Now we need to transfer them to Binance. We select TRC20 network and send them to our Binance account as shown in the video. As you can see, we got $22,000 instead of $20,000. Now let me show you once again, but for more clarity, with a bigger amount, $50,000. I deposited and sold them on Zelbit, then withdrew them to Binance. I want to do it one more time for the maximum amount, $100,000. I top up Zelbit account and repeat the same steps. This is a very reliable way to make money. That's it, you've made easy money on inter-exchange arbitrage. Thanks for watching and good luck!